Everybody, I'm Masada. This is a brief overview of the free stems kit I put out. You have to download MPC 2.14. This is 3 different programs containing like over 36 samples. And so what it is, these are just pre-stemmed songs from my personal library of over 100,000 albums. I just took stuff randomly and I stemmed them out already for you so you can just take them and use them. These are not royalty free, but I do not own the rights or anything. These are just samples from my record collection. So we go here, and we can take this and turn the drums down. We can turn the voice down. Now you just have this all here, this sample right here to use however you want. All right, so I mean it's like a ton of samples I included here for you guys. Right? You know, you can take that vocal out and just use this. You could use these drums. And now say if you want to use those horns right there, you just turn those down. And now you can use this and flip this into whatever it is you want to flip it into. We take the both side of this, take the drum out. Now we have a funky reggae type melody going on here. We can take the drum out. We can take the vocal out. We'll put the vocal in, take the sample out. This thing comes with 3 programs. I would advise that you load these 3 programs up individually, unless you have a computer with a ton of memory in there, because this is going to bog your system down. Now we want to get those drums. Now we got those drums. Now, we want those drums. We turn down the other layers. Now we got these drums. We just want the horn without the drums. We got the bass line. Or we can just turn that down, keep the drums out of it.
Everybody needs some.
And I know that there's some good stuff in here that y'all guys are gonna be able to use. Turn that voice down. Take the drum out of there. Take the vocal out. You know what I mean? So get those drums. Take the drums out. Or just leave the drums and take everything else out. Take the drums out. Or we put the drums back in, take everything else out. Now we got those drums. So you don't want that vocal. We just turn that vocal down. Now we got this. Now we want those drums. We just take the drums out. We put the drum back. Take the vocal out. Turn the drums back down. Want just the bass line? Like I said, there's a ton of useful stuff in here. So, we do that again. This time, we take the vocal out. Now we got that sample without the vocal. We can get the hi-hats. Take the hi-hats out. I mean, you can't use that. Come on. There's so much useful stuff in here. Take the vocal out. Now this right here is crazy. Now say we don't want the vocals. We turn the vocals down. Yo, I love this STEM technology stuff. Something De La Soul could get on, you know what I mean? So, got this right here. Some drums. Alright, now let's take the drums out. Now you got all those horns to yourself. I think that's enough. I think that's a good overview of what you're getting. So I hope you enjoy. And hey, go to psychokit.com, support your boy, buy some kits. I love y'all. I'm always going to support the culture. So support me. Respect.